Welcome dear students in the 8th standard maths class. In the previous video we have completed second question of practice set 8.1. Now in this video we will solve the third question. In a quadrilateral ABCD, length of AB is equal to 6.4 cm, length of BC is equal to 4.8 cm, measurement of angle A is equal to 70 degree, measurement of angle B is equal to 50 degree, and measurement of angle C is equal to 140 degree. So here out of 10 elements of the quadrilateral, the measurement of 5 element is given, so it is easy to construct. So firstly we will draw the rough figure according to given measurements. So draw the quadrilateral. Give the label A, B, C, D. Length of AB is equal to 6.4 cm. Length of BC is equal to 4.8 cm. Measurement of angle A is 70 degree. Measurement of angle B is 50 degree. Measurement of angle C is equal to 140 degree. So firstly draw the baseline. 4.8. After 4, 8 line. Yes. Give the measurement and label 4.8 centimeter, and labels are B, C. Now here firstly we draw the point A. So to draw the point A, we take the protractor and measure the angle of 50 degree. And draw the ray from the B, and from that ray we measure the 6.4 centimeter distance with the help of compass and draw the arc on that ray. Then we got the point A. So take the protractor and put the center of protractor on the point B and measure the angle 50 degree. Draw the ray from the point B. Now take the compass and measure the 6.4 centimeter distance with the help of scale. Yes, this is the 6.4. Now draw the arc on the ray which is drawn from the B. We got the intersection point, and this point is nothing but the point A. Give the labels and measurements. If this is the 6.4 centimeter and measurement of angle B is 50 degree. Now the next we will draw the point D. So with the help of protractor measure the angle of 140 degree from the point C and draw the arc from the point C, and measure the 70 degree angle with the help of protractor by putting center of the protractor on the point A and draw the ray from the point A. Then we got the intersection point. That point is nothing but the D. So take the protractor and put the center of the protractor on the point C. Measure the angle of 140 degree. So here is the 140. Mark here and draw the ray. This is the 140 degree. Now measure the 70 degree angle at the point A. Put the center of protractor there and measure the 70 degree angle. So mark here, this is the 70 degree. Now draw the ray from the point A. Now we got the intersection point here, and this point is nothing but the D. Write down measurement here. Measurement of angle A is a 70 degree, and this is the required figure. This is the quadrilateral ABCD. Very simple. Thank you.